Hi everyone, this is Ed Stauffer with Remax of Reading. Got this brand new listing for you at 226 Jefferson here in Muhlenberg over by Hyde Park. As you can see, it's a really magnificent Victorian home with brick and great front porch and front porch swing. Got a porch out back there too. Nice stone wall along the side here with hedges, plenty of parking on street. Let's go in and take a look at this property. It's gorgeous. Here we go up to the front door. Nice stained glass up there. It comes right into the living room. And you'll also notice there's a coat closet right here. Also on this level, you'll notice a decorative fireplace. All the windows on the first and second floor have been replaced. In here we have new vinyl flooring, and this is the dining room. Notice the corner cupboard. We're gonna come into the kitchen with the brick flooring. Has a center island, gas cooking, plenty of cabinet space, microwave, new microwave. It's a dishwasher, refrigerator stays, some more decorative brickwork. This is the half bath here on this first floor, which is nice to have. Across here you'll see a little bright light there, but you'll see the tables and chairs that you could set here in front of these windows. Let's take a quick peek out back while we're on this level. Out the back here, you'll notice a really nice big shed that you can put all your garden tools, lawnmower, snowblower. Nice grass area, hedges right here along the side. You have a Bilco doors to get into the basement, which is really nice. Over here is another door for storage right there. Plenty of room for that. Check out that balcony up top. It's gorgeous. Let's go back inside. We're gonna run upstairs to the bedrooms. Check this out, new carpet. This level has 3 bedrooms. So this is the first one in the front. And you'll notice there's an air conditioner there on the floor, which would go right there in that window. Got some nice shutters there. Ceiling fan. This home has gas, hot water heat, and there's about 3 air conditioners that go with the property. This is the second bedroom. Again, nice and open and airy. Bright neutral color in here. Love the carpeting. Big closet there. Ceiling fan again in this room. Down the hall. Here's the bathroom. It's a toilet. Again, this vinyl flooring. It's a shower in this bath. And over here you'll see a vanity. It was custom made for this bathroom and the mirror. Here's another bedroom or slash office. I think the previous owner had a little office in here. Here you got a area for a closet right here. And we can go out to the balcony from this room. As you can see, this is a one-way street only. And right over here that's Goodwill, Hyde Park. Across the street is a fire company. Let's go to the next levels. The next level is the third level. There's 2 more bedrooms. A lot of room in this house. So here again, new carpet, ceiling fan, There's a closet here and a extra cedar closet. And the other bedroom with a closet. And then we're gonna take a quick trip to the basement and show you that real fast so you get a full view of this home. You know, we're doing this all because of the coronavirus that's affected so many of us. We want to get our buyers into these homes, but it's just we're at a stay-at-home event right now, and you can't do that. You can't be showing homes. So this is next best thing, is to bring you out here on a video and let me show you how nice this house is. A lot of work went into this home, getting it all ready, painting everything. Let's go this way first. This is that Bilco door I was telling you about. Comes right in here. You can leave it open. There's a screen there. Here's your electric panel. We had to put in a little pump here for the washer to pump the water out into the sewer. There's your dryer hookup. Again, we had an electrician in here. Went over everything. And plenty of cabinet space here too. Check this out. Some extra cabinets here. Did a lot of woodworking here. This would all be gone. But right here you got your gas heater and gas hot water heater. Excellent condition. We've had everything serviced, cleaned, and checked out. So this is your home. Come check it out. I hope you like the video.